I am back on my land today, and I think the goal for today is to try and clear up the dead bushes over here and maybe some of the trees if I can get that far. And then I also need to figure out where I'm going to put a small shed or just something to hold my tools. And if I do find a spot, I might try and make a little bit of a level ground as well. That's the plan for today. Intermission because Mila was not doing well. So I took her home, came back, and we're going to resume our landscaping. My chainsaw broke. So I guess that's it for today. I did change the battery. I don't know. Not sure. I'll read the manual and see if I can fix it. Now, because that's broke, I'm just gonna try and clean up, I guess. Let me see if I can drag this since I can't cut it. Heavy. I really need a wheelbarrow or a wagon. Oh, what? When I get my chainsaw working again, a lot of this will still have to be trimmed. Like these will go right to the main stump, but I'll trim those off. And then all of the rest of this still needs to be cleaned up under here. If I can get my chainsaw working. And then obviously this will be cleaned up as well. I could do that tree next. If I just level out a spot here in front of these trees for like a deck box, and one big enough, I could probably put my shovels in it. That way I do not have to cart around all my tools because my car is so dirty and it's driving me nuts. I need a vacuum. Really bad. Okay, I think the problem is the chain is not on the track anymore. So I have my crinkled instructions and we're gonna try and fix the chain. I took it apart. I don't know if I can get it back together. Stay tuned.
doing? I'm on a pan. How tight should it be? It's not very secret. How tight should the chain be? Does anyone know? It's all the side. It's not going in. I don't know what way this goes on. Inside up, something else? Down. Go to wall. You say yes, this fits. Okay, now what? New chains will be stretched at the beginning. Loosen.
I'd love to have something like that in the stairwell of the chateau. It's really beautiful how they have these patterns.
Do we think? I don't know how loose the chain should be. I guess we just have to try it and see if it works. Let's see. Okay, it does work. But my chain, does anyone know like how tight the chain should be? Please let me know. Also, I'm supposed to oil the chain. I didn't tell you what kind of oil. Please advise.